These are the two packages I had received from Meesho. They came in very good condition. Packaging was good. The first product was the utensils basket, which is used to store the washed dishes. The main thing I liked about it was the tray, which is used to collect the water from the dishes, and I liked it. The quality was pretty good, and there was a spoon holder also with this. And the cost of this product is 209 rupees. And the second product was the corner stand, which came with a cup holder in a combo offer for 299 rupees. The sad thing was the cup holder was in a damaged condition. I thought of returning it, but I liked the corner stand which has come, so I didn't return. As you can see, one of the the hook was dismantled. This is how the basket looks, and the quantity you can see it can fit more than this, and the water will all collect beneath tray. I like this product a lot. And the corner stand, I placed it in the corner in the kitchen and placed some ceramic cups in it, and on the top I had placed the live plants pot to give it a aesthetic look. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Bye. Take care.